Hey Google, talk to Property Realm.
All right, here's Property Realm. Welcome to Property Realm. You're speaking with Claire. How can I help you?
My toilet's overflowing. I need a plumber.
Is this an emergency repair?
Yes, it is. I need someone right away.
All right then, to get the right person to fix this, I need lots of details about the problem, like what room, how severe it is, or any other details you think are relevant.
It's the toilet in the second bathroom. Water is just gushing out everywhere. It's damaging the carpet. I need a plumber right now.
Oh no, the plumber can be contacted on 0466666666. Please be aware that if it is not urgent or is damage caused by you, then you will need to pay the call-out fee. Would you like me to contact the emergency plumber for you?
Yes, please.
Done. I have forwarded your contact details to the plumber. If you need to follow up, you can call Frank Pipes and I forwarded these details to you. Is there anything else I can do for you?
No thanks, not at the moment.
Okay, see you later. Don't forget you can ask me about your next rental inspection. Bye for now.